ordered this torque wrench and everything looks good. Just found that the only thing problem was that little ball thing doesn't pop out. So you put anything on here, it just falls right off without pressing the button. I don't know if you can see. That cap thing works, but the ball doesn't come out enough to hold onto this. It just no effort at all. So probably gonna return it. See if I can get the same one. If not, if that one comes the same way, I'll let you know. We'll see if it's the product or just one piece that's defective. But, yeah.
Hello, I'm here with my new torque wrench. It's a half-inch drive. I think it goes from 10 to 170 foot-pounds for those of us who use foot-pounds here in the United States. It comes in a nice blow-molded case with some nice little latches. The latch is pretty nice. I've got it set now on 100 foot-pounds, and I'm going to test it out. So I hope that can focus. The ring to lock it, the neighbor's cat's also walking around. To unlock it, you push that down and turn it, and then it locks in place. And I got, like I said, I have it set on 100 foot-pounds, which is what my lug nuts are set for. It does have a nice push button release there to put on your socket. So let's give it a test here and let's see how it works. And you can see I'm pushing down on it. Let me go to another lug nut. And it seems to be working fine there at 100 foot-pounds. So very pleased with this so far. Like I said, it's in a really nice case. So it should come in and store real handy in my shop. Thanks for watching.